What are you eating? Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't eat that. No, stop it. If you're new, my name is Sophia and I make videos on YouTube. Anyway, today I am here with a special guest. 1 second while I introduce the video. Okay, go down. Anyway, today I look disgusting because I wanted to share my new friend that I have got, and it's a puppy. So, yay! If you're interested in meeting my new little friend, then keep on watching. Come on, you have to come with it. Okay, he's gonna behave now. Anyway, this is Chase, and he likes to look at the camera. He's very photogenic. Anyway, he's an English Bulldog, and he's a puppy. No! And he really likes to chew on everything. Yeah, it's okay. He makes a lot of sounds, and sometimes it stresses me out. Okay. He likes to be held, but just like not all the time. Anyway, we just got him on Saturday. Today is Wednesday. Saturday, yeah. Anyway, my family drove to Austin, Colorado, which is like 5 hours from Denver, to pick the little guy up. I wasn't with them. I was at camp, which was in Winter Park, and so they just picked me up on the way back because it was like in the same general direction. Anyway, we still had to drive 2 hours home from Winter Park, so we spent a lot of quality time in the car. He like waddles around. I'll have to get a video of him like walking. He literally is eating everything. Anyway, his name is Chase, and he's an English Bulldog, and he is 8 weeks old. We got him as soon as we could, and he's really cute. I don't know. Yeah, I'm filming this video as a request from my friend Haley. So Haley, I hope you're watching this. But you can't chew on that. They want to see you. This video is about you, mister. He literally will eat anything. But yeah. Say hi. He's very cute. Yeah, that's all I really have to say. He's really cute. Oh, he's like pretty small right now, as you can see. He's like this big. And I don't know how much he weighs, but he's gonna get bigger, and he is gonna be bigger and get up to like 50 or 55 pounds, so I won't be able to carry him like that. But he stays like pretty short. I don't know if you've seen like adult bulldogs, but yeah, really cute. Anyway, let's see if I can get one of him walking. Can you walk? Walk around. Chase! Oh my gosh. Do you hear that? He just keeps making such weird sounds. Hey. Hey. Mister. No. Come here. No, don't eat that. And he has like all these rolls. It's just hilarious. Like all of this skin. Can you say bye? Say thanks for watching. He's trying to eat my toes. Thanks for watching. Say hi.
He says no.
Run.
Come on, Chase. Chase, come on. Come on.
Nope. Nothing. Oh, there he goes.
Come on.
Do something.
There we go. Good boy.
He's hopping around.
He's tired.
Yeah, see, he just loves the camera, so. Yeah, there we go. Thanks for meeting my puppy.